In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe in Hostinger. If you're ready to get started with Hostinger, this process is very simple, and I'll walk you through it in a clear and easy way so you know exactly what to do. Subscribing to a hosting plan is one of the first steps in getting your website online, so it's important to take a moment to understand the options before making your choice. To begin, open the Hostinger website and access your account. If you already have an account, just sign in and continue from there. If you're new to the platform, create your account first so you can move forward with the subscription process. Make sure you're on the official Hostinger site and that everything is loading correctly before continuing. Once you're inside, you'll be taken to the section where you can choose a hosting plan. At this stage, you'll simply select the plan that best fits your needs. Take your time here and read each offer carefully. This part is important because each plan is designed for different types of users. Some are better for beginners, while others are more suitable for larger projects or websites that may need more resources. You'll typically see options such as single, premium, unlimited, or cloud startup. As you review them, pay attention to what's included in each offer. Look at the storage, performance, website limits, and any extra features that might be useful for your project. Even if the lower cost plan looks appealing, it's a good idea to think about what you may need not just today, but a little further down the line as well. After you've decided which plan is right for you, go ahead and click Choose Plan. This will move you to the next part of the process, where Hostinger will guide you through the remaining steps on your screen. From there, simply follow the prompts provided. The platform is designed to make the subscription setup straightforward, so just continue one step at a time. Read each screen carefully before confirming anything, especially if you're selecting billing terms or reviewing what's included with your plan. And that's it. Once you've completed the on-screen prompts, your Hostinger subscription will be set up and ready for the next stage. If you found this helpful, you can now move on confidently knowing how to subscribe in Hostinger.